Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be opening up half of it, a box of Carbonite packs from the new set, Legends of the Force. So, first off, let's get this out of the packaging so we can actually have a little look at it. Get the scissors out of the way because I don't need those anymore. There we are. The ultimate premium pack for collectors, and it's foiled. The packs are foiled. Let's go with the left side first. So they are all Vader. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 12 packs per box. And let's get straight into it. We are chasing showcases and prestige cards. We are hopefully going to get a Valkyrie, a serialized. That would be very cool. Sorcerer's Blast, N1 Starfighter, Padawan Starfighter, Vani, Kylo Ren, Yoda's lightsaber. This is also what I'm looking for. I'm looking for variation, anything with Yoda or Grogu or Yaddle for the Yoda folder. Invasion Control Ship. And straight off the bat, there we are. That's what we want to see. Grogu, Legendary, Prestige, Tier 1. I'm only going for Tier 1 on the Prestiges. So let's see if I can stand him up over there. Sand Trooper Cavalry, Outer Rim Mystic, Sacy's Tin, Rey, Jocasta Nu, Witch of the Mist, and Sorisu Stance. Third Sister, Relic Scavenger, Army of the Dead, Hyena Bomber, Disturbance in the Force, Balin Skull, Quinlan Voss, Ogdo Bogdo, and a Tier 2 Leia Organa. Anything that isn't going into my collection, Crushing Blow, is going to be available for trade or sale. So if you are interested, drop a little comment below on anything you see, and if it is available, Luminous Beings, that's going in my collection. Beautiful. Supremacy Tie, Ataru Onslaught. Anything that I still have, happy to do sale or trade. Happy to ship to anywhere in the world. I have done various shipments to the US. So we have Cal Kestis, Cure Wounds, Terrantatic, Qui-Gon's Aether Sprite, Voltex, Sorisu Stance, Rampage, Luke Skywalker, and Luke Skywalker. I'm going to run out of space back there very quickly, aren't I, actually? Army of the Dead, Overpower. So it's a Tier 1, Luke Skywalker, Chirrut Imwe, Force Illusion, Mind Trick, Protect the Pod, and Aura Sing. Very nice. Very, very nice indeed. You can see straight away it's not a showcase, it's a hyperspace. So we are looking for the hyperspaces, for the showcases, not the hyperspaces ideally, but we take what we get. Drain Essence, Praetorian Guard, Precautious Predicament, Blockade Runner, Premonition of Doom, and Good. Okay, so fantastic. So this is one of the ones that I'm looking to get. I am looking to do on my binder the Mortis Gods on one row, Mace, Yoda, and Ki-Adi-Mundi on the next. All in tier 1, so this is tier 1, this is perfect, this is going in the binder, and then underneath it's going to be the Jedi Council Prestiges with Oppo Rancesses. Can't remember the middle one, and Yaddle. So, fantastic. I'm just going to block up Grogu just there. Will of the Force, Whirlwind of Power, Hyena Bomber, Ki-Adi-Mundi, Ponkrell, a hyperspace foil Porg, and a hyperspace foil Gungi. Very nice indeed. Very, very nice. So we have 2 packs left in this video. Can we get a showcase? No. Supreme Leader Snoke, Ravaging Gundark, Ravenous Rathtar, Nile Marauder, Karis, Jedi Vector. Oh, look at him. A foil Yoda, and it looks like I might have a Mortis God back there as well. This could be one of the packs of this box. Drengir Spawn is a rare. Oh, tier 2. The Father. That's a beautiful card. Ideally I wanted a tier 1, but I will certainly take it. Porg, Hyperspace, Exegol, Patroller, Disturbance in the Force, Rampage. Oh my goodness me. A Hyperspace, Leia Organa. Absolutely gorgeous. Lothcat. Oh, what a pack. A Hyperspace foil Mythosaur. My goodness. 9 cost. 10 card. What a great card that is. My goodness. And on to our last pack. Do we need last pack magic after that last pack? Of course we do. Let's have some last pack magic, shall we? We always want to keep the magic. Okay, so no showcase, that's fine. Barriss Offee, Secretive Sage, Minok, Sand Trooper Cavalry, Night Saber, 8th Brother, Shin Hati, Kit Fisto's Aether Sprite, and it's Keller and Beck. I thought it was going to be the Yoda for a minute. Saw the green lightsaber and I got excited. Jedi Guardian, Thralls of the Coven, Forged Starfighter, Plo Koon, HK-87 Assassin Droid, DRK-1 Probe Droid, very nice, and Calm in the Storm. So that is it. Some not bad prestiges. We have Tier 1 Keller Beck, Tier 1 Mace Windu, Tier 2 The Father, Tier 1 Luke Skywalker, Yoda should be over there, Tier 1 Grogu, and Tier 2 Leia Organa. Really, really good. 1/2 of a box. Join me for the next half next week, and until then, may the Force be with you, always.